What's up guys? Today I'm gonna be showing you how to change the thermal paste on your laptop. It's a very straightforward process. You're not gonna need a lot of stuff, and I'm gonna show you everything I'm using here. The process might be slightly different depending on your laptop's model, but generally speaking it's pretty much the same steps I'm gonna follow in here, so let's do it. So I'm not gonna use a lot of stuff. To start with, the thermal paste I'm using is that's the one. You can find it quite cheap on eBay or even Amazon. I would say less than £5. And next one, what we're gonna need will be the 99% alcohol, quite cheap on eBay or Amazon. I'll leave the links in the description down below so you can have a look in that. And the last one will be the air duster, clean and tidy up the whole fan. That's it guys. I'll go through the process of opening the laptop now and I'll be right back. Okay, so here it's quite straightforward, I would say. First things first, well, it depends on the laptop you have of course, but they're quite similar I would say. And then just a few screws here. And one more. And we can just slide down the whole lid. And obviously all the peripherals are here if you want to swap the memory. And you can see the fan here. The problem about my specific laptop is I would have to disassemble it completely because the fan is on the other side of the laptop, so it would be a problem. Now I'm just gonna take these four guys off. Okay guys, I hope you can see it now. I took out all of the screws, so my fan is in here, right? So my CPU will be down here, but I told you I don't want to disassemble the whole thing, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get a flathead screwdriver and just gently put it up. So can you see the remaining thermal paste in there? So this is the bit we gotta remove all this gray stuff. So I'm gonna do that using the alcohol I just showed you, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, I'm done here. It took me a while because whoever made this before made such a mess. So before you could see all the gray stuff, the thermal paste in there, and now you can see it's shining. I reckon that will do. And obviously I had to do the other bit here. I'm not sure if you're gonna be able to see it though. It's on this bit here where the heatsink is. So yeah, just clean both sides, and then we're gonna apply the thermal paste. So my advice here will be, don't put too much. As you can see, we have these two silver chips in here, so what you're gonna do is literally put one drop on the small one and like a small line in the middle of the other one, and then you press and put all the screws back again. I actually didn't show you the whole process of putting the paste in there because it was really messy. I was holding the camera in one hand and doing the thing with the other hand, so I said, oh fuck it, I'm not gonna make it. So here you can see the results already, literally 5 minutes after I changing the paste. It's running at 40-45 degree stops, and before that I was getting 75, even 8 degrees, and when gaming I would say 9 degrees, 95. That was quite crazy. That was very simple. Of course, I know you guys might have a different brand of laptops or a different model. Well, it doesn't matter, the whole process is basically the same. Yours might be even easier because if you don't have the whole work to remove your fan, you might do it in 5 minutes. It's just make sure you take care when you're cleaning the thermal paste and remove it completely, and then after that just apply literally a single drop on the small chip and a line, small thin line on the other chip, and put back the fan, and that's it guys. Well, I hope you like and subscribe, and that's it. Thank you.